Imagine finding what looks like a dead ball of dry twigs in the desert. Place it in water, and within hours, it slowly unfolds into a vibrant green plant. It seems impossible, but for the resurrection plant, it's simply survival. The resurrection plant, scientifically called Selaginella lepidophylla, never truly dies. Instead, it enters an extraordinary dormant state called desiccation tolerance, allowing it to survive after losing nearly 95% of its water. Native to the deserts of northern Mexico and the southwestern United States, including Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, and Chihuahua, it has evolved to withstand some of Earth's harshest environments. Today, it remains widespread and isn't considered endangered. Beyond being a fascinating ornamental plant, scientists study it for clues that could improve drought-resistant crops and long-term biological preservation. When dry, the resurrection plant curls into a tight brown ball resembling a tumbleweed. Its branches fold inward, protecting delicate tissues from the scorching sun. Add water, and the transformation begins. Over several hours, the stems uncurl, rich green color returns, and the plant spreads into a delicate fern-like rosette. Tiny scale-like leaves line its slender branches in beautiful geometric patterns shaped by millions of years of evolution. This dramatic change has amazed people for centuries. This plant thrives where most others would fail. It naturally grows on rocky desert slopes, dry grasslands, and limestone outcrops where rain may not fall for months. Rather than fighting drought, it patiently waits it out. It enjoys bright indirect light, warm temperatures, good airflow, and sandy, well-drained soil. The moment moisture returns, it quickly absorbs water through its stems and leaves, resumes photosynthesis, and remains active until the landscape dries once again. Although it isn't grown for food or timber, the resurrection plant has several unique uses. It's popular as a decorative curiosity because watching it unfurl feels almost magical. In parts of Mexico, it has been used in traditional herbal remedies, though scientific evidence remains limited. Researchers are especially interested in its survival mechanisms, hoping they can inspire stronger crops, improved seed preservation, biotechnology advances, and even future space research. For centuries, indigenous peoples of North America's deserts recognized the plant's remarkable behavior. Later, Spanish missionaries and European explorers viewed it as a symbol of resurrection because it appeared to return from death after rain. Over time, it became associated with hope, endurance, and renewal. Many people still display it during religious holidays or simply keep it as a reminder that difficult seasons eventually pass. The resurrection plant can survive losing around 95% of its water, something fatal to almost every other plant. It protects itself by producing special sugars and proteins that stabilize its cells during extreme dehydration. As it dries, different tissues shrink at different rates, causing its branches to curl inward naturally. Even more remarkably, it belongs to a plant lineage dating back over 300 million years. Its ability to recover so quickly comes from remarkable chemistry inside its cells. Protective compounds shield delicate structures while almost all of its water disappears, allowing normal activity to resume once moisture returns. Unlike flowering plants, it reproduces by spores, reflecting its ancient ancestry. Every cycle of drying and rehydration demonstrates an adaptation refined over millions of years, making this small desert survivor one of the most extraordinary plants on Earth. Caring for it is simple. Place the dry plant in a shallow dish of water and it will begin opening within hours, reaching full expansion in a day or two. After several days, remove the water and allow it to dry completely before repeating the cycle. This natural alternation between hydration and dormancy keeps it healthy. Keep it in bright, indirect light and avoid standing water that encourages mold. The resurrection plant isn't farmed like traditional crops. Mature specimens are carefully collected, cleaned, dried, and prepared for sale. Sustainable harvesting is increasingly important to protect natural populations. Because the plant survives without water for long periods, transporting and storing it is remarkably easy. The resurrection plant reminds us that survival isn't always about fighting hardship. Sometimes it's about waiting for the right moment to grow again. What looks lifeless is simply preparing for better days, making Selaginella lepidophylla one of nature's greatest symbols of resilience. What plant would you like us to explore next? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want to discover more fascinating stories from the plant kingdom, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.